to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I will review few shades from newly launched NY lip crayon. So before start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it, and if you like this video then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I am with 4 new shades from newly launched NY lip crayon. They recently launched 13 more new shades in this lip crayon range. Earlier they launched 6 shades only, but now they launched 13 more new shades in pink, nude, orange, red, purple. I bought 4 new shades at rupees 405 because I got this lip crayon in launch offer, where if you buy 4 lip crayon then you have to pay only price of 3 lip crayon, so the 4th one is absolutely free. So if you want to buy this lip crayon separately, then the price of this lip crayon is rupees 149, but you will always get discount in purple.com, so you will get this in discounted price. This lip crayon is very affordable, highly pigmented and give you a matte finish. I have already give review about this lip crayon in my earlier video. So if you want to see the review of this lip crayon, then I will give the link in I button and in the description box also. So I will show you the hand swatches first. So the first shade which I have is Sweet Spot 12, which is nude brown shade with little bit shimmer, as you can see here. And the second shade which I have is No Umpire Needed Tonight 20, which is pretty dark pink shade. Third shade which I have is You Touch All My Bases number 10, which is purple dark pink shade. And the last shade is Crowd Pleasure 15, which is nice coral red shade. So these are the 4 shades which I have. So now let's see the lip swatches.
Traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.